Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make tiramisu. During this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need first for the Ladyfinger biscuits, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup milk, half cup butter, 1/4 cup caster sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now for the dessert assembly, 1 cup mascarpone cheese, 1 cup whipping cream, 2 tablespoon coffee powder, half cup icing sugar, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1 cup water. Now for the recipe, first for the Ladyfinger biscuits, in a bowl add softened butter, caster sugar, vanilla essence and milk and mix. If it's difficult to mix, then microwave it for 10 seconds and then mix. To this add flour and baking powder and mix slowly to develop the gluten. Transfer this mixture to a piping bag. Next, on a baking tray lined with the baking paper, pipe down the mixture of the desired thickness. Transfer this tray to the center of the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. The mode of the oven should be both top and bottom heating. Bake this until it's dark brown from the edges. You can hear that they are crispy from the outside. And if you break them, you can see that they are soft from the inside. Now for the filling, in a bowl add mascarpone cheese and icing sugar and mix. To this add whipping cream and mix softly so that the air is intact in the mix. Next add coffee powder to the water and mix. Now everything is ready and we will assemble tiramisu 3 different plating ideas. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, dip the ladyfingers in the coffee solution and place them at the bottom of a bowl. Do not soak the biscuits in the coffee solution and just dip them. This way they will remain crispy from outside. Next add a thick layer of the filling. Again on top of this add coffee dipped biscuits and top it up with the filling. Next, using a sieve, sprinkle cocoa powder on top of it. Refrigerate this for at least an hour to 24 hours and serve chilled. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, in a short glass, repeat the process of 2 alternate layers of biscuits and filling. Sprinkle cocoa powder on top of it. Refrigerate as mentioned previously. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, in a glass, repeat the process of 2 alternate layers of biscuits and filling. Sprinkle cocoa powder on top of it. Refrigerate as mentioned previously. Plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.